Hello there. Today I'm going to teach you about JavaScript arrays. The very first thing we will do, you will create an index.html file, then a script.js, then you are going to link the script inside the HTML file. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a paragraph. Then I'm going to give it an ID of, let's say, demo. This is where our values or our output will be displayed. Then I will come to my JS code, and the first thing I will do is to create an array, and you have to create it using the constant keyword. It's best to create it using that. Then let's create an array of cars. So what is an array? An array is a variable that can contain more than one value. So this is how you create an array. Let's say the first car is an Audi, the second car is let's say Subaru, the third car is a Benz, and then the final car will be, let's say, a BMW. Okay, so let us display the values in this array. Okay, so you say document.get element. We are using the element by ID, so that we can access the DOM. Of course, the ID is demo. Then we will use the inner HTML property. Then we are going to display cars. Let's see whether this works. So let us go live. Let's wait. Let's go live. It has not been displayed. So I want to show you a way that you can display these arrays. Okay. Okay, sorry, it's demo. It's supposed to display, you see, it has displayed these ones, but now there are another way that you can display these values in this array, and it's using the for loop. So the first thing we will do, let's first create a variable called text. We're going to give it an empty string. Then we'll say let I be equals to 0. That I can be any number you want. It can be T, A, B, whatever you want. Then I is less than cars dot length. Okay, this car has 4 elements, so that is its length. Then you are going to increment that I. Then you are going to say text plus is equals to cars. We access that I, which represents those values. Then to display them in a good format, we can break there. Then when we come here, we are going to display text. Okay, so when you come here, as you can see, they have been displayed in that format. Now we have different methods of accessing an array, or in array methods. And the first one is, we can let me show you a few. The first one is pop. Let's say cars dot pop. What will happen when you pop? And then we'll go back to our array. We see whether there's something that has been popped. Not yet. There's something wrong. Is cars dot pop. Okay, we should remove the last element. Let's try push. As dot push. Let's give it a Nissan. Let's see where the problem is. Okay, it's not displaying. So there must be an issue here. Let me confirm. So it's cars dot push Nissan. Okay, let's remove this. The reason it's not displaying something is because we are calling on to that text, and this is not inside that